Hello.
Hi.
Whee!
It was a chicken crusade of epic proportions.
Could 70 barbarians on a bus eat an unsuspecting fast food restaurant completely out of chicken nuggets?
Brave barbarians. This is what we've thought about. This is what we've talked about.
This is what you've been training for unknowingly every time you ate a chicken nugget in the past.
They may deep fry our nuggets, but they'll never deep fry our freedom.
What do we say to nuggets?
So the eating began. One at a time, each soldier went into battle. Nuggets were slain left, right and centre.
3,000 nugs had been consumed, but the army was depleted. The troops were battered, bruised, and more accurately, completely stuffed. The nugget invasion was relentless.
After 2 hours, a final address had to be made.
You have gone through, well, including the 500 in front of us, 4,600 nuggets. That is an incredible amount of nuggets and something we will have forever. And remember, as soon as we take these ones out in the boxes, we've completely cleared them out of nuggets, even if they haven't got in our mouths just yet.
You're not judged by win or loss. You're judged by how you held yourself on the battlefield.
And how you can twist the story after the event to give yourself the win.
That's exactly right.
And that is exactly what we've done here today, guys. An amazing eating effort and an even cleverer twist to give ourselves the victory. To victory!
Victory!